Got my Garmin Alpha 300i. I already have the 200i, but we're going to see how much better this one is than the 200i. But let's open the box first and see what's inside. All right, so as you know, Garmin has a real nice packaging, and it came within another box when it was delivered by Garmin. So box within a box. Let's look inside now. All right. Here's the 300i. The antenna is not attached yet, as you can see. I suspect we have the antenna inside. Here's some things here. We'll open up in just a second. And we have some information. And then there is a manual or training owner's manual right here. And last but not least is the antenna. So let's put this together and see what else is in this bag right here. All right, so first you'll see there's a screen protector here. We'll take that off. And then you can see the antenna is in a plastic bag. All right, it's a little bit harder to get this out of that plastic than I imagined, but that's okay. Things in life are not supposed to be always that easy. So you just twist this on, and now you've got your antenna. I'm gonna make sure it's fairly tight, about 6 to 8 or 10 turns, and there you have it. You have the Garmin Alpha 300i. Now let's see what's in this other plastic bag. All right, there's several things in here, and one, we have the USB cable. Well, it's a USB-C cable. I'm not going to open that up, but you can see that's right there. Then there is a clip. We'll look how this goes on the Alpha 300i in just a second. And we have the battery. I'm going to put that battery in just a minute. Here is a back strap. And here we have something that goes with the spine adapter. And then there's some other kind of connection right here. There's another piece here that goes somewhere. We'll see if we need it. And then here we have the wall outlet adapter. So the USB cable goes in here, and then you got the other end of the plug. Well, that's it. Let's go see how we put some of this stuff together and maybe what some of these pieces are used for. All right, first things first, we need to get the battery in here, or we're not going to use this 300i. Okay, on the back, there's this little screw or something, whatever you want to call that, and you twist it, open it up, and the battery goes right there. Now you can see down here and here is how that goes in. Those connectors go together, and you put it in. There you go. Now, while we have this open, you can also see that you can get to the USB-C port here, but you can also get to it when you put the cover back on. So let's put this cover on, and you just do a little twist right here, put it back, and there you go. Now again, this USB-C is available to you even with the cover on. Now here's the spine adapter. I can connect this to my backpack. So this already has a spine adapter, and I can connect it to the Garmin backpack tether that I put on my Osprey day pack and any other pack that I use. But let's see what these other pieces do. Now first, this other adapter right here looks like it slides right over top, and it does, so that you can mount this onto other things, other devices, or window mounts, whatever they might be. So just letting you know that I don't need this right now because it'll be on my backpack tether. So I can already tell you what this is for, because this piece right here, you can see this notch, it slides right in there. Now this here is a clip, and now you can clip this on something. Now you could clip it on a belt or something else, but you could probably use this to clip onto something like some kind of suction cup mount that you might put in your vehicle. Well, let's take this off, and I'm going to show you how I put it on my pack. Okay, I've got my pack on, and I've already have my Garmin GPS Map 67i on. I also carry the Mini 2 right here, and it's with this Garmin backpack tether, and it straps on here with Velcro. It has about 1.5 feet or so cord, so if I drop it, then I don't lose it. So I love carrying my Garmin satellite communicators this way. Now, what I'm going to do is you take this off the back here, and then I'm going to put my Alpha 300i on. And because it already has this spine adapter right here, it's not really an adapter, but you know, with the Mini 2, I think you had to have an adapter. But it's really easy to use. You just take this right here, and you slide it on the back. It snaps into place, and there you go. It's right there. It's a little bit bigger than the Garmin GPS Map 67i, only with the antenna sticking up. But you need that to be able to communicate with the collar that you put on your dog. All right, that's it. That's what's in the box, and it goes on your pack that easy. If you get that backpack tether, then it's going to make life really nice for you. The next video, I'm going to go through a review of the Alpha 300i. I'm going to show you everything there is to know about it, and then after that, I'm going to follow up with different tests. I'm going to break the 300i down so that it's easy to learn every part of what the 300i offers, including how to track your dog and multiple dogs. Thanks for joining me here in Colorado at Outdoor Emergency Tech, and I will see you back out here soon in another video.